Whether it's a new HVAC installation, routine maintenance, or emergency repairs, our team of experts ensures your home stays comfortable all year round. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional customer service, reliable workmanship, and energy-efficient solutions to keep your systems running smoothly. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we understand the unique climate challenges St. Paul residents face. That's why we specialize in tailored HVAC solutions designed to maximize your comfort and energy savings. Why choose Bob Boldt HVAC? HVAC installation. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current system, we install energy-efficient HVAC systems that can help lower your utility bills. Maintenance and tune-ups. Regular maintenance extends the life of your system and ensures it operates at peak performance. Our thorough tune-ups catch issues before they turn into costly repairs. Emergency repairs. If your system breaks down unexpectedly, our team is available for emergency repairs to restore your comfort as quickly as possible. If you're in St. Paul, Minnesota 55118, and needs a reliable HVAC contractor, Bob Boldt HVAC is ready to assist. From new installations to repairs and maintenance, we provide top-notch service you can count on. Call Bob Boldt HVAC today and experience the difference professional service can make. Our service locations cover Apple Valley, Savage, Bloomington, Eagan, Rosemount, Richfield, Prior Lake, Lakeville, Edina, Mendota Heights, Farmington, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Hopkins, Inver Grove Heights, MN. You'll find us conveniently located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Call us now at 651-300-3050. Visit our website at www.bobhvac.com/burnsville-hvac/